Morning, everybody. Well, today we're going to be putting a new sprocket and clutch on this Echo CS 440. Some of y'all ain't never done it. Maybe it'll save you some money in the shop. But it's real easy, and I'll work on all my stuff. We gotta get this thing back to going because I got some work to get out. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove our bar and chain. We need to take our top cover off so we can take the spark plug out. Take the plug out. If y'all ain't got these tools, you need to get some. This is what you screw into the spark plug hole, and this little pin here holds that piston down. That way when you break this loose, you can do it. I used to do it with a rope. I'd stick a rope down in here and spin it until it jammed up in that piston. That's how I used to take them off, but I just bought these on Amazon. Man, it makes everything so much easier. Put that in there. Then you get this tool, bust your clutch loose, spin it until you get locked up on your piston. Just like that. This clutch still looks like it's in pretty good shape, but our sprocket is not. Oh, went the bearing. See them grooves in that sprocket? I'll show you the new one. You see the difference? The sprocket ain't no good. Make sure everything lines up. Now, before you start put all this on back on there, make sure it fits on this little bearing here. Goes on first. We're gonna make sure we put some grease on it. If you don't, you'll sit here and you'll wear a notch out of your piston. And you're gonna create a whole lot more problems for your own self. So always put a little grease on that bearing. Rub that in. Get some on the inside. Put it on your shaft. Now you ain't just rubbing metal to metal. Put our new sprocket on. The washer goes on the inside. Got to put the washer on. Then we put a bearing on. Sprocket. Then a clutch. I'm going to put this new one on, but I'm going to keep this old one. Everything matches up. Looks good. Put the washer on. Pins on. Take our tool again. Tighten it up. Put our plug back, whatever we did with it. How do I lose a spark plug that fast? There she is. Tighten the plug up. Now we're going to throw a chain back on there. Make sure we got everything lined back up. Now we're tightening this old chain back up. Now when you get this chain on here, don't over tighten it. You see how it kind of snaps back in the groove there? You're gonna hold up on that chain and then tighten your bar. There's probably somebody out there with a better way to do it. This is the way I do it. Alright. Make sure she'll run still. Like a brand new one. That's how you do it, y'all. Hopefully you learned something. That's just how I do it. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.